to the Gourmet Gambit. Today we're going to make a beautiful pink peppercorn sauce. You can serve this with any meat you like, poultry, steak. It is a beautiful smooth sauce that goes with lots of nice food. For this recipe you can use a dry white wine or even champagne if you like. I'm Wes Wolfman. Let's get started. 1 onion, put in a clove in the casserole, 3 garlic cloves, just crush them, and in the casserole as well, a little sprig of sage and a little sprig of thyme, 1 bay leaf, salt, and the white wine or champagne if you like. Heat up to the boiling point. Once our champagne or white wine boils, we're going to lower the heat and we're going to let it simmer slowly for 1 hour. Check out once in a while if your wine is not reducing too much. If necessary, pour a little bit of water. After 1 hour, kill the heat and we're going to filter the stock. Take a tablespoon and squeeze out the maximum of all the juices. And while it's still warm, we're going to put our pink peppercorns in there and we're going to let our stock cool down a little bit. As soon as it cooled down a little bit, we're going to pour our crème fraiche in there. And we're going to pour our veal stock or veal gravy in there. We're going to warm up our sauce on medium heat. Half a tablespoon of honey. This is going to lower a little bit the tanginess of the white wine and the crème fraiche. A good black pepper melt to give it some more depth. We're going to lower the heat on a minimum and let it simmer another 20 minutes. At the end, if you see it's a little bit too liquid, you can use some starch to thicken it. And all you have to do then is let it rest, so the pink peppercorns are really going to infuse into your sauce, and warm it up just before you're serving your dishes. And here you see we got a nice creamy sauce. If you want a sauce with less acidity, use whipping cream instead of crème fraiche, or you can also use less wine, but then again it all depends which meat you're going to serve in this delicious sauce. It takes some time, but it's such a beautiful creamy sauce. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bon appetit and see you back soon.